Alright, blind reaction. Raslat! I'm convinced that everybody in the community use the same pot to blood clot. No, sir. The pot that been through World War. A Captain America shield that! Anyways, pot a pot. At least him a go chef up some food and him a go do him thing them. Alright. My broke a dozen egg in a bunk to blood clot. Egg. A breakfast time. Breakfasting. Alright. So you have the onion in this saute. So you say mix it up and thing. Right, lad. The paint from the pot is a part of the seasoning too. I must scrape the pot, so. No, sir. Wait. Is it non-stick? The pot come with its own flavors. Brother, it a move like a non-stick pot. Right, lad. Captain America, somebody call Captain America. Alright. Anyways, go on see what I go on here so now. On breakfast, you know. High protein meal. My boy serious, you know, him not put no love in his food cooking. Watch him a scrape it, man. No, sir. Alright. Me a man, I respect hustling, you know. I respect people who do them things, you know. At least the pot strong. It's still a hold up. You know what I mean? And I save money. I'm there for it. I'm here for it. Yeah. Alright. I have a little skills there, so. I bet that egg more than well done. Popcorn egg. Scrambled egg. What you man? Blood clot. Alright, brother. It can come off a stove now, you know. Can come off a fire. Alright. Still I make it. I wonder what kind of egg sandwiches. Even the blood clot. I need one of those pots. All the hand upon the pot still a hold up. Me never care about the food no more. Right now the pot. Right? Me need one of them pot there. Me can cook everything in a that. It a gonna last me. The pot a gonna earth longer than me to rest lad. When me pass away, them have to put the pot on my grave. No sir. Yo, look them man. That pot they can do a whole lot of thing. All when thief come in at that the place there, him just throw up the food and use the pot and box the thief in him head. Alright. Anyways, let us get back to the food. Yes sir, street food. We already know it. It's not crazy dirty or true me not see it, but I don't know the street food them. I don't know what I go on. But I already know say dirt a part of seasoning, dirt a part of ingredients. Alright. Couple cups of egg. Couple cups of popcorn egg. Yeah man. Alright. Mad blood clot, look on the indent in our pot man.